morning to my dear children of Standard 6. Today we are going to study civics. Lesson number 5, District Administration. Okay children, what do you mean by district administration? Let's summarize. Do such questions occur to you? 2. The Zilla Parishad is a part of the rural local government system, that is, the Panchayati Raj system. But in Maharashtra, the administration of the district is shared by both the Zilla Parishad and district collector. The union government and the state government both participate in this administration. Okay children, the district collector. Who is the district collector? He is the head of the district administration. He is appointed by the state government. Who appoint him? The state government. He has to perform many functions, from collecting agriculture tax to maintaining law and order in the district. We can see what these functions are from the chart given below. What are the functions of the district collectors? Okay children. Agriculture, law and order, election officer, disaster management. This is the responsibility of the district collector. In agriculture department, what is his responsibility? To collect agricultural tax, to implement law relating to agriculture, to provide relief in case of drought and scarcity of water or fodder. These are the responsibility of the district collector in agriculture field. Law and order. Establish peace in the district, to maintain social harmony, to restrict unlawful assembly, impose curfew if required. Election officer. To ensure smooth conduct of election, to take necessary decision related to electoral process, to update the voter list. In disaster management, his responsibility is to take quick decisions during the time of disasters, to prevent or minimize the damage, to give water to the disaster management cell or unit. He gives the order. To rehabilitate those affected by a disasters. These are the functions of the district collectors. Okay children, do you know why it is important to maintain social harmony? There is a difference of opinion, disputes and conflict in society which must be resolved by peaceful means. When this does not happen, it gives rise to tensions and it leads to violent incidents. It disturbs social harmony. It acts as an obstacle to our progress. Public property is damaged. So, the district collector make effort to prevent such occurrence, but it is the duty of the citizen also to help to maintain social harmony. Tehsildar. There is a Tehsildar for every taluka or Tehsil. As a judicial officer, he gives rise judgment to resolve conflict at the local level. The Tehsildar has the responsibility of maintaining peace and order in the taluka. Who is the Tehsildar? Tehsildar is the prototype of district collector who performs similar duties at the taluka level. Okay children? Now tell me, who is the head of the district administration? The district collector is the head of district administration. What is the responsibility of the Tehsildar? The Tehsildar responsibility of maintaining law and order in taluka is entrusted to the Tehsildar. Okay children? Which role does Tehsildar perform as the taluka magistrate? Tehsildar settle dispute in his capacity as the taluka magistrate. Okay? Understood this much? Okay. The chief of the district police. In Maharashtra, there is a superintendent of police at every district headquarters. He is the chief police officer of the district. He helps the district collector to maintain peace and order in the district. In the city, the police commissioner has the responsibility of maintaining law and order. Okay, children. District court. The court at the district level have to perform the function of resolving dispute, delivering judgment, and ensuring that conflicts are resolved at the earliest. The Constitution of India has established an independent judiciary. At the apex of that system is the Supreme Court of India. Below this are the high courts, and below them the lower courts. These include district courts, taluka courts, and revenue courts. These all are coming in district courts. Okay, children. The court at the district level is known as district court. The district court has a chief district judge and some other judge. Their main function is to hear the various cases in the district and deliver the final judgment. One can appeal against the judgment of taluka court in the district court. In district court, there are two levels of judge: civil judge and session judge. Civil judge is for civil cases. Session judge are of two types: magistrate of first grade, second grade magistrate. Second grade magistrate handle the criminal cases. Okay, children. Disasters management. Disasters. Type of disasters are like flood, fire, cloudburst, cyclone, earthquake, landslide, or problem like riots, bomb blast, breaking of a dam, epidemic like coronavirus. These disasters lead to loss of human lives and displacement of people beside tremendous financial loss. Therefore, the issues of rehabilitation become important. Disasters management is a process which enables one to face a disaster in a scientific and organized manner. The entire machinery of a district is involved in this process. Advanced technology make it possible for us to get prior information. Made it possible for us to get prior information about several kind of disaster. For example, a system can predict and warn us of flood or storm has to be developed. This helps us to better prepared to face the disaster. Always remember, it is important to remain alert during a time of crisis. To face a disaster, one need to help of people as well as different systems and organization. In order to be able to contact them urgently, one should display the contact number of police, fire brigades, hospitals, blood bank at a prominent place in the house. Okay, inform your friends also. Do you know, in Maharashtra, many officers have made serious attempt to bring about the reform in the administration. The experience have helped us to improve the service provided to the citizen. This has helped the citizen to form a favorable opinion. This help us a favorable opinion about the administration. As a result, their support to the administration and the participation in it has improved. Lakhina pattern, in order to make the administration efficient and to increase the quality of the public service available to the citizen, Sri Anil Kumar Lakhani brought about many reforms when he was a district collector of Ahmednagar district. They are known as Lakhina pattern. Standardization of work procedures, stating rules in simple language which could be understood by the people, where the administrative changes he introduced. He also started the single window system so that job that people came to do could be complete under one roof. Dalvi pattern. The administration reform implemented by Sri Chandrakant Dalvi when he was a district collector at Pune district are known as Dalvi pattern. The objective of the reform was to speed up the decision making by ensuring that files were not allowed to stack up and that were dealt with on the same day that they were received. This pattern is also known as zero pendency pattern. It helps in bringing efficiency and speed into administrative work. Means जो दिन जो फाइल आई उसको कंप्लीट करना है, पेंडिंग कुछ नहीं रखना. Understood? Third is Chahande pattern. When Dr. Sanjay Chande was the divisional commissioner of Nasik, he implemented certain reforms which are now known as Chahande pattern in order to reduce the gap between the people and the administration, to increase the accountability of the administration toward the people and to prioritize the development work through people's participation. He implemented the Gramasthan Din, Villagers' Day scheme. This is the appointed day when the administrative official and staff visit a village and establish a dialogue with the people to understand their problems and to help to solve them. Okay, children. Now we have studied three patterns. One is Lakhani pattern, second is which pattern? Dalvi pattern, and the third is Chahande pattern. Hope you all understand this all. What is a district administration? What is the work of district collector? Who is Tehsildar? Okay, children, what happened in the district court? Till then, thank you. Hope you all understand and start completing your workbook and notebook along with this.